Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I make my plantain and egg frittata. So I'm going to start with, I've had my oil, just a little oil in your fry pan, so you make it hot. So the next thing is I'm going to fry my onion with my garlic, so while I'm frying the onion and garlic, I'm gonna add my curry powder, and I'll stir it together. So I'm gonna add my salami slices. So I have my salami slices, so I'm just gonna pop it inside. So you stir it together. So I'll just leave it to hot a bit, then we'll come back to it. So guys, after I finish frying it, so I'm gonna transfer this into my egg. So I'm gonna transfer it into my egg. So I'm gonna mix it together. So you mix it together. So I'm still going to transfer it into my fry pan. So after mixing it, I'm going to transfer it to my fry pan. So I'll add my cheese. Then I'm gonna add my plantain. I have finished frying my plantain, so I'm just gonna put one after the other into the pot. So after finish placing the plantain, so I'm gonna allow it to cook for about 10 minutes with a very low heat. So I finished doing everything, so just to allow it cook for about 10 minutes, then we'll come back to it. So guys, I'm gonna check how it's doing. As you can see, it's moving, so it's getting dry. I don't like it to be so tough, so I like it wet like this because of the cheese that I had inside. So I'm gonna serve it now to see the end result. So guys, I'm gonna serve it. I've used knife to cut it into 4 places, so I'm just gonna serve it now. You can see. So that is the end of this video. If you find this video helpful and useful, please subscribe to this channel and turn on your notification bell beside the subscribe button so that you will not miss any of my video. I upload video on this channel almost every day. Thank you for taking your time to watch this video. I hope this video is helpful and useful to you. Bye.